Hi.
Hi, I'm Veronica Vance with Mother's Digest. This is my assistant, Ava, and she's also going to be handling photography.
Oh, so nice to meet you both. Please come in.
Thank you. You have an amazing home, and it's so neat. You must have a cleaning service.
No service. Just try to keep up the best I can. This is my loving husband, John.
Hi.
Hi, John. How are you?
Good. How are you doing?
Great.
Good.
Happy so.
Look at these.
Wow.
These must be your now world-renowned cookies.
I have a batch made just for you to take home, too.
Is there anything you can't do?
It is my mission to learn and get better every day.
May I use your restroom?
Oh,
Yes, down the hall on the right.
You know, let's just get started on the interview.
sure.
Tell me about your upbringing.
Not much to tell. Lived a normal life, decent childhood. Grew up in a small town, but was always thinking bigger.
How is she doing that? What was that?
Yes, and you attended the prestigious Jude Academy. Must be where that drive comes from.
Not exactly. My older sister, Tiffany, was the scholar. Class valedictorian.
Wow, some big shoes to fill. I had some competitive siblings myself. How was that for you?
It was hard at times. Trying to gain my mother's approval from Tiffany's shadow was nearly impossible.
Is that what drove you to become the cookie queen entrepreneur that you are today?
Ultimately, yes. Once I realized how much I enjoy baking and sharing that gift, opportunities have really opened up.
Now, John, what is your role in the business now?
To be honest, the only role I've ever really played is in the investment side of supporting Maya's passion.
Beady-eyed husband, I'm not buying his little innocent act.
You're right.
Oh no, I
So I understand that you have a personal assistant, humanoid resource. A par?
You'll have to excuse her. She's still reeling and disturbed from a previous traumatic incident.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Can you share what happened?
About a year and a half after we got the par, it started to behave strangely.
Strangely?
It's okay. I'm fine. We purchased a humanoid to help around the house. We were told it would learn to do tasks that distracted from my business.
In what way?
It was designed to be my twin.
It was customized by Dr. Mary Silver. She's working wonders in the humanoid AI community.
How did that work out for you?
All right. Here we go. Come on. Give it to us.
It began to observe me. It studied me. Hello, Maya speaking. My routine. How was it? And wearing my clothes. And my makeup. And making passes at my husband. And even telling my daughter that she is her mother. So I got rid of her.
What do you mean?
I killed it.
What does she mean by killed it?
Out there. The par knew I could not swim. It tried to push me in. We struggled. I pushed it in and it drowned. It was done.
That had to be awful. Where's the shell?
I was out of town, so I told her to have it crushed at a junkyard. We needed to be sure that that thing would not hurt our family again.
It tried to kill me.
I think we have everything we need. I am so sorry this happened to you, but it really goes to your grit. You are a wonderful woman. You are brave, and you're an amazing mom. Thank you so much for this interview.
No, we can't let her off the hook. Let's call it.
Stand down, detective. We don't have a definitive answer to move forward yet.
Welcome back to The Public Eye. I'm Clarice Finley. We learned earlier today that Dr. Mary Silver was found dead in her lab at Terrell Tech. Dr. Silver was on the leading edge of genetic technology, creating advanced household humanoids. Joining us is lead investigator, Lieutenant Bonnie Bradshaw. Lieutenant, what can you share with us about Dr. Silver's murder?
Well, as we know, Clarice, humanoids are made for dangerous tasks and mundane jobs that humans don't want. Dr. Silver spliced genes that were not tested for public distribution. These enhancements created self-aware humanoids that assume family life interactions. We do know that at least 3 have been sold to the public.
Lieutenant Bradshaw, what regulatory measures are in place to prevent the rogue superhumanoid species from replicating itself? The 3 that was sold to the general public, definitively. Do we know where they are?
No comment.
Thank you, Lieutenant Bradshaw. Be on the lookout for those rogue superhumanoids. I'm Clarice Finley from The Public Eye. Stay safe and keep your eyes open.